heading to the middle of nowhere. So yeah, it's not even on the map. I just randomly went on Street View on Google Maps, and there was a nice location. It's a farm and a pond. I couldn't pin it on the map, but I'm gonna try to find it using some places that are pinnable nearby, and then yeah, we'll find our way there. Oh, scared. Oh, poor dog. And we decided to stop here at this nice pond. It's just an ordinary pond or lake, I'd say. Nothing special, but it's so nice and quiet. We're all alone, there's nobody else, and yeah, we miss going out, we miss nature. Nature has really taken over the road. The wind is so nice, it's blowing really nicely. My university can be seen right there. There, that building. Oh well, it's not as I expected it to be. It's really brown and dry right now. So yeah, this is the farm right now. It's quite, yeah, dry. It's not the season, I guess. So oh well, but it's fine. It's still nice and big, and I think if the wind isn't so strong, then we could drone, but I don't know. It's a bit risky to drone right now. tanks.
Whoa.